Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set time and date on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, setting the correct time and date on a device ensures that users have accurate and up-to-date information regarding the current time and date. This is essential for scheduling events, appointments, meetings, and tasks. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here scroll down and select the General Management option. Well, within this menu, locate and select the date and time settings. And here you'll find two options for settings the date and time automatically on your device. If you prefer to set the date and time manually, toggle off the automatic settings and click on Set Date to update the date on your device, and then proceed to click on Set Time to adjust the time according to your requirements. Furthermore, in this section, you can also set the time zone to ensure that your device reflects the correct local time based on your location. Adjusting these settings allows for accurate timekeeping and synchronization on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set time and date on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.